with the Porsche Cayman GT4 RS Clubsport, this time at Bira Circuit. We've been right through this car, all the details, everything about it at Be Quick's race shop. Now it's here at Bira Circuit for its shakedown test. So time to put the money where the mouth is. See if this car really lives up to all the hype. If this is something a bit special, it's going to raise the GT4 bar. It's going to make GT3 drivers look and think, yeah, we can save some money and we can race a really cool, really dynamic race car at a better price, at a better running cost. So this car has got a big hype, lot to live up to. So today, first test for it for Be Quick Racing. It's kind of a shakedown, let the engineers get used to the car, and a new driver who's going to race it in some of the remaining rounds of TSS. He can have his first laps in this car, his first seat time, get used to it. And he's also the perfect person to talk to because Greg Bennett, he's raced Porsche 991 GT3 Cups in the US. He's raced them in Thailand. He's an experienced Porsche racer, an amateur driver, a gentleman driver. The perfect person that this car is totally aimed at. He's their target. So if he likes this car, if he thinks it's cool, Porsche are going to be onto a winner. So what I'm going to do is show you a bit of this car in action on the track, let you get a feel for what's going on, see it on track, feel the dynamics. Then I'm going to ask Greg if he can give us a bit of feedback, talk to us a little bit about the car, what's going on, how it feels. Obviously that engine, he's used to it in the 991. He's raced it on 2 continents, maybe 3 continents, I'm not sure. I think he's racing Europe as well. So he's going to give us some great feedback and then really going to get an opinion, form an opinion. Is this car good? Is this car cool? So the team are ready to get on track.
That's what I'm meaning is a bit more. Just do a few more laps like this.
Oh, in Buriram. You guys okay? Yeah. You get bored. Okay. Turn you night.
This new Cayman GT4 is quite special. I was driving the 991.2, the GT3s up to now, and I decided to try this one, and it's amazing. It's got the same engine as the GT3 car, different transmission, and it's got a little more electronics on it, but It's really unique to drive. It doesn't have the weight transfer that you see in the 991. It's much more balanced, and it's a little bit smaller, tires a little bit smaller. So it's a little bit more of a challenge in some way, but it's got a heck of a lot of power, and it's really a fun thing to drive.
So we're done, we're dusted, we're finished testing. It's been over 2 days, but kind of part running on each day because Bira Circuit has bike and car sharing, so you can only do half days. So pretty much done 2 half days. The verdict from Greg, the verdict from the team is this is a pretty good car. This is a pretty cool car. It looks good. It's got the power, it's fun to drive, it's got a lot of electronics, a lot of driver aids for the driver to assist them, for the team. It's got a lot for them to work with, a lot for them to set up. So this really looks like a cool car. It looks like something that's going to be a little bit special, and I'm looking forward to seeing this getting out in the next round of Thailand Super Series in Buriram in the GTC class. Obviously it's going to get a bit of weight, it's going to get a restrictor in it. They're going to pull those horses down a bit, pull that power down a bit so it balances into the class. But that's what racing is really about. You balance the cars out so everyone has the opportunity, and it's on skill and it's on talent. So I'm looking forward to seeing this car out on track. The verdict has been good. I think everyone is pleased with it. Driver is pleased with it. Team is pleased with it. Crew is pleased with it. Over we go. Next step is for this car to get out competitively racing, door to door, bumper to bumper with other people.